2-year-old pacing colts lined up for tonight's first race, a field of 6. Second leg of the Kentucky Sire Stakes, the Ron Gate. At the Roth, up and at it. The charge is out for the outside. Last Best Chance also left alertly in between horses on Golden Ponder. The favorite is out quickly along the inside as they race into that opening turn. It's Last Best Chance who takes the first chance here. Up and at it. And Trace Tetrick continue to sweep up on the outside on Golden Ponder. The heavy favorite races about 5 lengths off the lead from third. Proceed to Party. Next in line, fourth in front of Sevi. Sam Axe was off stride around that opening turn. They paced that opening quarter 26-4. It's a sizzling opening panel for Up and At It, who was used very hard there. But now on Golden Ponder gets his cue from LaChance, and on Golden Ponder, the favorite now marches up to take control from Up and At It. Last Best Chance just in behind the top pair down from third. Proceed to Party. Continues on fourth in front of Sevi. It's far back to Sam Axe past the half, 55-1. 28-2 for that second quarter. On Golden Ponder, trying to make it to 3 in a row and back-to-back here at the Red Mile. Up and At It on his back once again as they race out of the far turn. Last Best Chance still third. Proceed to Party. Now fires up on the outside fourth. Sevi has the 6 lengths to make up with 3/8 of a mile to go. It's on Golden Ponder. Proceed to Party. Now up to apply pressure on the outside for Tyler Smith. Up and At It races along the pylons third. Last Best Chance to the outside fourth. They race past 3/4, 125-4 on Golden Ponder. The favorite turns for home with the lead. Up and At It is looking for racing room there along the inside second. Last Best Chance up on the outside of third. They hit mid-stretch on Golden Ponder. Put to the test once again. Up and At It is in between. Last Best Chance up on the outside, but it's on Golden Ponder. The favorite prevails 3 in a row. Up and At It was second. Last Best Chance finished third, 154-2.